The secret to a stronger core isn't endless crunches. It's consistency. And the best workout is the one you'll actually do. Join me for a session that's fun, effective, and accessible. And best of all, you can do right in your chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice today with a seated cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, and spine. Release and return to center, moving into a knee tuck variation. Clasp your hands to the seat of your chair. Extend both your legs forward, keeping your spine straight and your core engaged. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Pause with both legs extended, moving into a leg lift variation. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong, moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while toning through your lower abs. Adding on, begin to alternate lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite leg. Continue flowing from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Cross your arms out in front of your chest, keeping your core strong and your navel back towards your spine, cinching in all the way around your waist. On your inhale, lean back slightly, using your core to keep your spine straight. And on your exhale, use your abs to return to upright. Continue with this movement, using your core to stabilize, resting when you need to. Pausing and upright, maintain your arms and step your feet back to center. Adding a twist, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest, working through your obliques. Release and step your feet back to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, lean forward halfway, keeping your core engaged and your spine long. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, cinching in all the way around your waist, using your core to stabilize this movement. Release and return to center, preparing for a boat pose variation. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your right leg and hold as you continue sitting tall with your chest lifting. Release and repeat on the opposite side, toning through your abdominal muscles, strengthening through your low back. Release, continue moving from right to left, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs and hold as you continue lifting through your chest, lengthening your spine, feeling your abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation, cross your right leg over your left. Reach your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. Gently pressing your left arm into your right leg, using it as added leverage, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Cross your left leg over your right. Reach your right hand to your left leg, gently pressing, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help YouTube remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.